Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google Ads with the account that manages billing and campaigns. Once signed in, make sure billing is current and note which campaigns are active versus paused. Then open all campaigns and use the search or filters to find the exact campaign you intend to cancel. You do this now so that you won't accidentally affect other campaigns. Once you've selected the right campaign, proceed directly to the campaign settings to begin cancellation steps. Next, pause the campaign immediately to stop ad serving. Select the campaign and change status to paused so no further impressions occur. Then disable automated rules, scheduled promotions, and shared budgets to prevent accidental reactivation. Export any performance reports, audience lists, and conversion settings you might need later. This preserves historical data and lets you recreate targeting if required. Once done, archive or label the campaign as canceled for bookkeeping and notify stakeholders that billing has stopped and data has been saved. Finally, remove the campaign or set it to canceled in campaign settings and confirm the change. Then verify billing to ensure no recurring charges persist and reconcile any final invoices. Keep screenshots as proof. Make sure to update team permissions and document the cancellation date. If the campaign still appears active or charges continue, double-check user access and whether shared budgets are linked. If that doesn't fix it, contact Google Ads support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.